everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bitcoin Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Bitcoin Wallet, tap open your Bitcoin Wallet application on your Android device or your iOS, and soon after you do that, go through the information once and you'll be able to see a screen where you can log into your account with Google. Tap on sign in with Google and you'll need to log in to your account with your Google account. Choose an account from the list. If prompted, go ahead and enter your password for your Google account and you'll be logged in to Bitcoin Wallet quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.